wanna play me DJ, I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector boy.
What's good YouTube? Gang, it's your boy John Biscuit down now. Back with an hour. Time it is. Yo guys, let's see what I deal with today, man. We're there. Yo, the boss did it. He did it. He made a video for it. You know what I'm saying? And rightfully so, because I think this song actually deserves a video. We reacted to the lyric video when he just dropped the album. And we was telling yo, the song mud. You know what I'm saying? I think if he had dropped the song earlier, it would have definitely taken the beat. You see me? And if you don't know what I'm talking about now, you should have known from the title. I'm talking about Pablo YG, Richer and Richer. You see me? This track, man, this track is dope. You know what I'm saying? I think a lot of people, it's so catchy and like motivational and like it's just a vibe. You know what I'm saying? I think a lot of people gonna gravitate toward it. Which I think, yo, if he dropped it earlier, when the beat like just came about, like I think it would have definitely taken the track. Cause on this track, he got he does Valiant Expensive. I think Craft also has a track on this, right? Expensive. I think Craft have a song on this too as well. You see me? So, but tell us this is one of my favorite ones off this rhythm. You know what I'm saying? So, big up to Pablo YG. Big up to the Bad Juve mixtape. Reacted to the mixtape live on our reacted to mixtape live. So definitely check out the live videos. You see me? We had a lot of people in there as well. It was really dope. But yeah, man. Pablo YG finally dropped the video for Richer and Richer. You see me? I saw a little per snippet preview on social media, and I see a lot of people say, "Yo, man, that song, yo, I'm a vibe, dog. I've been listening ever since to drop all type of stuff." So yeah, we listened to the lyric video. So now we're gonna check out the actual video because he just dropped this like yesterday. You see me? So I see what I deal with, see if it's a vibe. Well, the song bad already. You see me? Just want to see the video. We're just reacting to the video and see what he did with it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're not gonna hold up the vibe much longer. We jump right in and try. This is Pablo YG, Richer and Richer. Let's get it.
Yo, Poppins.
Watch out,
Richer, even care who are richer me.
What you mean,
Richer.
Bro, it's just the start. Just the starting alone just give you that vibe, you know?
Richer, bitch. Richer, bitch. I coach from the garments. Richer. I gym down badness, me I tell about. Extension clip, me I tell about run. Have couple dark, them dark night on. Me killer them out night, coast night on.
Hey, killer them out night, blow out coast. I reach badness, I tell you, you see me? But Juve.
Father YG, me I tell you out. YG badness, me I tell you about now. Couple 19, copper then I run. My only 19, bad Juve done. Richer, if you care who are richer me. Richer, switch your bitch.
You hear that? Eh? Richer, don't care who are richer me. Richer, switch your hey, we not doing talk.
Richer, switch your bitch. I coach from the garments. Richer, me still a chop fraudulent fees. Me dog them rich in I see. Have couple gal a pick up brick in I state. Them a fish in I place, them fi go down I see. Young millionaire couple brick in I safe. Not
I'm tuna man. Young millionaire couple bricks in I safe, bro. We stacking the bread. Come
stop them mama dog out in I see. Busy family you pick up couple 9 grands. Wake up spinners with a brick in I see. Richer, if you care who are richer me. Richer, switch your bitch. Richer, switch your bitch. I coach from the
garments. I'm to them man, I'm to your
garments. Richer, if you care who are richer me. Richer, switch your bitch. Richer, switch your bitch. I coach from the garments. Richer.
Hey, this whole song just a vibe and just an energy, bro. Pablo YG, do your thing, man. G. Come
on. Richer. Money enough your fuck. Them leads at the fire enough for both. Me not get rich, I see my client have for true. Me charge him 3 grand and put a higher chop for us. If they all run, true. My dog not get the dial off a pose. Been a stay in, me feel me not go dead for now. Get the leads, we lock in with countless bitches.
Come on now, man, get the leads, we lock in. Yeah, the shit locked in, man.
Tell a Bob if you on these bricks. Rich and if you care who want rich on me. Rich and switch your bitch. Rich and switch your bitch. I coach by me garments. Rich and
Hey, team wanna start playing with the G. The G are doing thing out here. But Jovie, young Jovie in town. Come on.
Rich and if you care who want rich on me. Rich and switch your bitch. I coach by me garments. Rich and
hold on your day ones, you know what I'm saying? Never switch, never change, you know what I'm saying? I see that. Grow up like a young Juvie. You see me grow up, never have it. Very dog, young, and you know, I'm getting the cupboard and you know, make sure everybody go, you know what I mean? What family garments? You know what I mean, man? Dog, him thing, big up yourself, Pat Juvie in town. That's Pablo YG, Richer and Richer. Yeah, man, I just love, me like the track there. The track, the bad guys. What do you think about that? You see me, so definitely a vibe, man. I've been doing this thing. Album was a vibe. Album has great energy, man. So definitely check it out. Show artists all over and support. Making you say Jam Biscuit and something. You see me? And then you don't know the routine. Let me know what was your favorite part, man. Let's chop it up in the comment section. You know what I'm saying? Let me know. Yeah, see me. Let me know what your favorite part, beat, melody, lyrics, the video, whatever it is. Let me know in the comment section. We chop it up and definitely drop your requests, guys. Yeah, man. If you know any fun facts about Pablo YG or any other artists here, definitely go do that in the comment section and drop a fun fact about the artist that you may know. I'm gonna drop a fun fact, all that type of stuff. So you see me, so let me know what you guys think. You see me, and keep doing keep doing your thing. I hope you are taking care of yourself. You see me, and till next time, you don't know your boy Jam Biscuit out here now hitting and smashing up. Banger. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. Come on.